So hello guys, right now I'm here at Oak Ridge Executive Lounge. So this is on the 12th floor of Oak Ridge IT Center 2. And yeah, you might be wondering this where I am. But yes, right now I'm holding a package. This is from Ralph Huertas. So let's see what's inside this box. Whoa. Wow, I received this Novuhair, nature's answer to hair loss. Well, to be honest, yes, I'm at the age where hair loss can be a problem. So I've seen some, even people younger than me who has massive hair loss. Even I, it's really thin hair, look. Yes, but luckily baldness, haven't been bald. I'm not bald yet, but yes, of course, eventually I'd probably be bald, and that's a concern for a lot of men. And yes, especially now in the age of when you take a lot of photos, even in social media, we have, we always get the photos. Even Facebook auto tags us in some photos. So yeah, and I guess some people are insecure when they have massive hair loss. So for the next few weeks, I'll be testing out this new product called Novuhair, and see if it's effective in improving the quality of hair that I have, or even, let's just say, yes, if it can really prevent hair loss, or at least improve my hair. So we'll see. Let's see what happens. But yes, thank you so much, Ralph Huertas, for this sample. But yes, let's experiment together and see my progress when it comes to this. But let's open this product. So this is the Novuhair. Yes, this is the product. This is 120 ml. Yeah, with I think they have a sprayer. So let's read the instruction. Apply to the scalp twice daily, morning and night, using fingertips. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is their claim. Novuhair topical scalp lotion contains standardized herbal extracts which moisturizes the scalp and strengthen hair follicles to stop hair loss as well as premature graying. So even white hair, huh? This is interesting. So let's see the ingredients. So these are the ingredients: natural ethyl alcohol, purified water, propanediol, zingiber officinale root dry extract, moringa oleifera leaf dry extract, so nani kamunggay, Cantelia asiatica leaf, dry extract, Cocos nucifera oil, polysorbate 20, Panax ginseng root extract, Phyllanthus imbelica dry extract, D-panthenol, acacia conchina fruit powder 2, phenoxyethanol, aloe barbidensis extract, Cardamus tinctorius dry extract, biotin, Piper nigrum root powder, Piper longum root powder, disodium EDTA, fragrances. So yes, for best results, extended contact of Novuhair topical scalp lotion on your scalp allows greater penetration into hair follicles. Therefore, do not rinse. Use Novuhair topical lotion in combination with Novuhair herbal shampoo and herbal conditioner. Shake well before use. So by the way, this is manufactured by ADP Pharma Corporation. Suite C, 9th floor, the Curve Building, 32nd Street Corner, 3rd Avenue, Bonifacio, Global City, Taguig, Metro Manila. So hotline 0917-549-0575. So here's the manufacturing date. It's June 2019 and expiration date of June 2022. So let's open. Smells like alcohol, yeah. Quite strong, but yeah, it's not really that. The smell is not scary. I think you'll be willing to have your hair smells like that. But yeah, let's apply it today. Let's try it out. Apply. Wow. Oh. Yeah, it sprays good. And now, it smells like. Now it smells like ginger. It's like ginseng. It's quite strong. But yeah, and massage it into our scalp. Here. And leave it. So I'm gonna apply it again later tonight and see what happens. Oh, right away. Since I use it already, so I'm gonna cover it like this. So that. There. Yeah, Novuhair, and let's see what happens after a few weeks of using this one. But yes, thank you so much, Ralph Vertas, for giving me this opportunity to test this out. And yeah, hopefully this one works well. Yeah, and I hope to see you on yeah, if you guys want me to test your products, just PM me through my channel, or you can email me at kalami@gmail.com. And thank you so much for watching this short product review or product introduction of Novuhair, and I'll be updating you soon about this product. So thank you so much once again, and see you in my next tests and videos and adventures. Bye bye.